Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age so gracefully while others struggle to maintain vitality as they grow older? Today, we're diving into the secrets of longevity as uncovered by Dr. James Chen, a 92-year-old physician who still runs a thriving practice in Boston. Over decades of experience, Dr. Chen has discovered powerful daily habits that have kept him and his patients vibrant and healthy well into their golden years. In today's video, we'll explore some of his most effective and surprisingly simple techniques. Stick around until the end, and you'll discover how caring for just 4 key areas of your body can make all the difference in how you age. From your feet to your scalp, these habits have the potential to transform your health. Let's jump right in. Before we start, it would mean the world to me if you could like this video. It really helps me keep spreading these valuable lessons on longevity. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you never miss out. If you're enjoying the video so far, let me know by commenting a 1. If there's room for improvement, feel free to drop a 0. Your feedback makes all the difference. 1. Foot care, the foundation of longevity. Dr. Chen always starts his day by focusing on one crucial area of his body, his feet. And he's not alone in recognizing their importance. Modern science backs this up. After decades of medical practice, Dr. Chen learned something vital: our feet are key gateways to overall health and longevity. Recent studies from institutions like Harvard Medical School show that proper foot care significantly boosts blood circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues by up to 35% for seniors over the age of 65. Yet, despite their importance, our feet are often one of the most neglected parts of our body. Dr. Chen recalls a patient named John, who exemplified the transformative power of foot care. John was in his 70s, struggling with chronic fatigue and poor sleep. His feet were always cold, a clear sign of poor circulation. Dr. Chen prescribed a simple foot care regimen, and within just 3 months, John's energy levels surged, and his sleep quality improved dramatically. It was a life-changing experience for him. Dr. Chen attributes John's transformation to consistent care, focused on washing, drying, and massaging his feet. To get started with effective foot care, Dr. Chen advises using warm, not hot, water. Let your feet soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. This softens the skin and gets them ready for cleansing. Using a mild soap, gently massage your feet in circular motions to help both clean them and stimulate circulation. Pay special attention to the often overlooked areas between your toes. Moisture tends to gather here, creating an ideal environment for fungal growth. After cleansing, make sure to dry your feet thoroughly to avoid any bacterial or fungal issues. The real secret to Dr. Chen's foot care, however, lies in the power of massage. He recommends using your thumb to apply pressure, starting at the ball of the foot and working your way down to the heel in gentle, flowing strokes. This simple action stimulates pressure points, which, according to both ancient medicine and modern research, can greatly improve circulation. Studies from the Mayo Clinic have shown that regular foot massages can boost circulation, improve balance, reduce the risk of falls, and strengthen the immune system. In fact, a groundbreaking study in 2023 found that seniors who practiced consistent foot care experienced 40% fewer falls and improved mobility compared to those who didn't. Dr. Chen often likens the feet to the roots of a tree. Just as a tree relies on healthy roots to grow strong, our feet support our entire body. By caring for our feet, we are supporting our overall health. This becomes especially important as we age. After age 60, circulation naturally slows down, but maintaining good foot health can keep you active, independent, and thriving. For those looking to optimize their foot care routine, Dr. Chen recommends a comprehensive foot care kit. Essential items include a gentle exfoliating brush to remove dead skin, a non-slip bath mat for safety, moisturizing cream specifically designed for feet, and comfortable, supportive footwear. Dr. Chen emphasizes that investing in the right tools is an investment in your independence and mobility. Among the most common issues Dr. Chen sees in his senior patients are dry, cracked heels, fungal infections, and decreased sensitivity in the feet. Thankfully, these problems can be managed or even prevented with diligent care. For dry, cracked heels, Dr. Chen advises applying a rich moisturizer immediately after bathing while the skin is still damp. For fungal prevention, he stresses the importance of ensuring your feet are thoroughly dry, especially between the toes. Using an antifungal powder in your shoes can also help reduce the risk of infection. Take Margaret's story, for example. At 78, Margaret was worried that foot pain would rob her of her independence. She began following Dr. Chen's foot care protocol, daily washing, moisturizing, and massage, and within weeks, she was back to her daily walks. Now, at 82, Margaret leads a walking group in her community, helping others struggling with diabetes or circulation issues. She is a testament to the power of foot care in maintaining independence and overall health. For patients with diabetes or circulation problems, Dr. Chen emphasizes taking extra precautions. Always check the water temperature with your elbow first, as sensitivity in the feet can be reduced. It's also essential to inspect your feet every day for any cuts, blisters, or changes in color. If you notice anything concerning, be sure to consult your healthcare provider. Foot care isn't just a morning practice, the evening routine is equally important. Dr. Chen suggests spending at least 10 minutes on foot care before bed, not just for hygiene, but to enhance sleep quality and reduce leg cramps. A gentle upward massage helps prevent fluid retention and encourages better circulation while you sleep. Dr. Chen believes that consistency is the key to foot health. His advice to patients is simple: start small. Begin with daily washing, proper drying, gentle massage, and moisturizing. The path to longevity starts with taking care of your feet. As Dr. Chen puts it, your feet have carried you this far, it's time to show them some love and care. If you're still with me, and finding these lessons useful, please comment one below to let me know you're still watching. Your support means a lot, and I appreciate your valuable time. Up next, armpit care, the overlooked detox centers. We all know that good hygiene is important, but did you know that caring for your armpits can have a huge impact on your overall health? Dr. Chen explains why these often overlooked areas are actually key to your body's detoxification process and well-being. Stay tuned to learn more about how this simple self-care routine can make a big difference in your health. 2. Armpit care, the overlooked detox centers. When we think about health and hygiene, the armpits probably aren't the first thing that comes to mind. But according to Dr. Chen, these areas play a crucial role in our body's detoxification and overall well-being. Often overlooked, armpits are home to several lymph nodes, which act as key filtration points for the immune system. Proper care of this area can help support the body's natural detox processes and even boost immunity. Recent research from Stanford Medical Center has shown that the health of your armpits is directly connected to the effectiveness of your body's immune response. The lymph nodes in this area act as important filtering stations for lymphatic fluid, and studies have demonstrated that proper armpit care can enhance lymph flow by up to 40%. This increase in lymphatic circulation is a major boost for immune defense, especially in older adults. Dr. Chen emphasizes that maintaining the health of this region can contribute greatly to your body's ability to ward off infections. One of Dr. Chen's patients, Helen, provides a powerful example of how armpit care can improve health. Helen was in her 70s and suffered from frequent upper respiratory infections. She was an active individual but found herself constantly battling colds and flu. Dr. Chen introduced her to a daily armpit care routine that included gentle washing and lymphatic massage. Within just a few weeks, Helen experienced fewer infections and reported feeling more energetic overall. The positive effects extended beyond her immune system. She even felt more vital and confident in her daily activities. The connection between armpit health and overall well-being isn't just about immunity, it also affects circulation and detoxification. The armpit area is like a control center for lymphatic flow in the upper body, including areas close to the heart. Dr. Chen compares the lymphatic system to a network of roads, and the armpits are like major intersections. When these intersections are blocked or not functioning well, it can lead to congestion, preventing the body from detoxifying properly and affecting overall health. When it comes to armpit hygiene, it's not just about using deodorant to mask odors. Dr. Chen recommends a more comprehensive approach: cleanse, dry, and support. Start by using a mild, unscented soap to gently wash the area. Make sure to wash in gentle circular motions, moving from the outer edges toward the center of the armpit. This helps promote lymphatic drainage and keeps the lymph nodes healthy. Avoid aggressive scrubbing. The skin in this area is sensitive, and harsh treatment can cause irritation or even damage. After cleansing, it's crucial to thoroughly dry the area. Moisture left in the armpits can trap bacteria and impede lymphatic function. Dr. Chen recommends patting the area dry, rather than rubbing it, to avoid irritation. Choosing the right deodorant is also key. Dr. Chen suggests natural deodorants free of harsh chemicals like aluminum, which can block the body's natural lymphatic processes. Mineral salt or baking soda-based deodorants are good alternatives that are both effective and gentle on the skin. Always do a patch test before trying a new product, especially for seniors with sensitive skin. Another often overlooked but important aspect of armpit care is lymphatic massage. Dr. Chen insists that a simple 2-minute massage each morning can do wonders for the body. Using your fingers, apply gentle, upward strokes from the armpit towards the collarbone. This stimulates the lymph flow and can alleviate shoulder stiffness. It's an easy, effective way to enhance detoxification and reduce tension. Take Robert, for example, a 68-year-old patient who had been struggling with shoulder tension and unexplained fatigue. After adopting Dr. Chen's daily armpit massage routine and switching to a natural deodorant, Robert noticed a significant improvement in his shoulder mobility and overall energy. Within weeks, he no longer felt the persistent fatigue that had troubled him for months, and he experienced better posture and mobility in his upper body. Dr. Chen often shares Robert's story to illustrate how even minor adjustments in daily routines can yield significant health benefits. However, it's important to keep an eye out for warning signs. Any unusual swelling, tenderness, or changes in skin texture in the armpit should be checked immediately. These could be early indicators of lymphatic issues or other underlying problems that require medical attention. As with many areas of health, early detection is crucial for effective intervention. Dr. Chen also highlights the importance of temperature in armpit care. He suggests rinsing the armpits with cool water after washing. This helps stimulate lymphatic flow and reduces bacterial growth. In hot weather, it may be necessary to clean the armpits more frequently to ensure the lymph nodes remain healthy and unclogged. Remember to be gentle, especially during hot or humid conditions, as senior skin can be more prone to irritation. The evening armpit care routine is just as important as the morning one. Dr. Chen recommends a quick cleanse before bed, followed by letting the armpits breathe overnight. Allowing the skin to be free of products for a portion of the day gives the lymphatic system the best chance to function effectively. This not only benefits physical health but also leaves many patients feeling more confident and comfortable in their daily lives, as they know their body is detoxing efficiently. For those starting with this routine, Dr. Chen stresses patience and consistency. Begin with gentle techniques and slowly increase the duration of massages as your comfort grows. As Dr. Chen says, listen to your body, and it will tell you what it needs. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you're not just improving hygiene, you're actively supporting one of your body's primary defense mechanisms. Over time, these small actions can lead to major changes in overall well-being. As we age, it becomes even more important to maintain these health-promoting habits. The lymphatic system is key to our body's detoxification processes, and keeping it functioning well helps reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and bolster our immune defenses. Many of Dr. Chen's patients have reported feeling rejuvenated and more resilient after just a few weeks of adopting these routines. It's not just about managing body odor, it's about supporting your body's natural pathways to stay healthy and age gracefully. Dr. Chen often reminds his patients that armpit care is a simple, 2-minute addition to their daily routine that can bring about significant benefits. For seniors especially, taking care of the lymph nodes in the armpit can boost circulation, alleviate aches and pains, and improve overall immune function. It's never too late to start, and the impact on your health will be well worth the effort. If you're still watching and finding this information helpful, please comment below to let me know. I appreciate your time and your dedication to taking care of yourself. Up next, inner thigh care, improving circulation and comfort. Did you know that the inner thighs are crucial to maintaining good blood circulation and supporting liver health? Dr. Chen explains why caring for this often neglected area can make a big difference in overall vitality. Stay tuned to learn how simple daily care can optimize your health. 3. Inner thigh care, boosting circulation and comfort. The inner thighs may not be a focal point of most daily care routines, but Dr. Chen places significant emphasis on this area due to its role in circulation and overall comfort. Many people overlook the importance of inner thigh care, but it's more crucial than most realize. The inner thighs are major pathways for blood circulation, which directly impacts our overall health, and they also play a role in supporting liver function. Dr. Chen believes that taking proper care of this area can greatly improve your well-being, especially as you age. Recent cardiovascular research from Johns Hopkins University has illuminated just how important the inner thigh area is for circulation. The femoral artery, which is located in the inner thigh, carries almost 20% of your body's blood flow, making this region an essential part of your body's circulatory system. According to a groundbreaking study published in the Circulation Journal in 2023, proper inner thigh care can improve circulation by up to 30% in adults aged 60 and older. Dr. Chen often explains that the body is like a series of rivers, and when we neglect certain areas, it can create blockages that hinder flow throughout the entire system. Dr. Chen recalls one of his patients, Mary, who was in her early 70s and struggling with persistent leg swelling and fatigue. Mary followed Dr. Chen's inner thigh care regimen diligently, and within just 3 months, she noticed a reduction in swelling and significant improvements in her liver function tests. Mary also felt more energized, and her improved circulation contributed to her overall comfort and mobility. Dr. Chen uses her story as an example of how focusing on seemingly minor areas can yield major benefits. For seniors, skin irritation in the inner thighs is a common concern, particularly during the warmer months or after physical activity. The skin in this area is prone to friction and moisture buildup, leading to discomfort and irritation. Dr. Chen emphasizes that prevention is far better than treatment when it comes to maintaining the health of your inner thighs. To help with this, he has created a 3-pillar approach: cleanse, exercise, and prevent. Pillar 1. Proper cleansing. Proper cleaning techniques are the first step in Dr. Chen's approach. He advises using warm, not hot, water and a mild, unscented soap to cleanse the area. Gentle upward strokes help follow the direction of natural blood flow and support circulation. After washing, it's essential to pat the skin thoroughly dry using a soft, clean towel. Moisture, particularly in the folds of the skin, can quickly become a breeding ground for bacteria and lead to irritation. Dr. Chen emphasizes taking extra care to ensure these creases are dry to prevent skin issues from developing. Pillar 2. Simple exercises for better circulation. The second pillar focuses on exercises to boost circulation. Dr. Chen explains that small movements can make a significant difference in maintaining good blood flow. One of his favorite exercises is the seated inner thigh stretch, where you sit on a sturdy chair, bring your knees apart gently, and hold each position for about 5 to 10 seconds before bringing them back together. Another highly effective exercise is the butterfly wing stretch, where you sit with your feet together and gently bounce your knees up and down, mimicking the flapping of butterfly wings. These exercises are simple yet highly effective in promoting blood flow and preventing stagnation. Take Tom, for example, a 76-year-old patient who adopted these exercises into his daily routine. He had suffered from recurring skin irritation and discomfort in his inner thigh area for years. By combining proper cleansing with Dr. Chen's exercise recommendations, Tom was able to improve his comfort significantly. Within weeks, he found that the irritation had subsided, and he could return to his regular walking routine without discomfort. Dr. Chen proudly shares Tom's story to inspire others to take the health of this area seriously. Pillar 3. Prevention through proper clothing. The third pillar centers on prevention, particularly through appropriate clothing choices. Dr. Chen advises wearing breathable, natural fabrics like cotton, which help keep the skin dry and prevent irritation. For those prone to chafing, he suggests moisture-wicking fabrics or applying a light dusting of cornstarch to the area to keep the skin comfortable and dry. Unlike talcum powder, cornstarch is a safer alternative that helps reduce moisture without the health concerns associated with talcum. Dr. Chen often reminds his patients that prevention is about setting yourself up for success. Taking proactive steps to ensure comfort and health can go a long way. He also advises regularly checking the inner thigh area for any unusual discoloration, persistent discomfort, or swelling. These warning signs shouldn't be ignored, as early intervention can prevent more serious complications down the line. Timing also plays an essential role in inner thigh care. Dr. Chen suggests establishing both morning and evening routines to maintain healthy circulation and comfort. The morning routine prepares your skin and muscles for the day's activities, while the evening routine helps promote recovery overnight. Dr. Chen recommends incorporating a gentle massage during the evening routine, using upward strokes to encourage blood flow and prevent fluid retention. For those with dry skin, Dr. Chen recommends using a fragrance-free moisturizer, but only after ensuring the area is thoroughly cleaned and dried. Applying a moisturizer without first properly cleansing can trap bacteria and create more problems than it solves. The key is to make sure that the skin is healthy and clean before any moisturizer is applied. The benefits of consistent inner thigh care extend far beyond comfort. Improved circulation in this area can lead to better overall energy levels, reduced leg fatigue, and enhanced liver function. Many of Dr. Chen's patients have reported greater mobility and increased confidence in their day-to-day activities after adopting these simple practices. As Dr. Chen likes to say, caring for your inner thighs isn't just about comfort, it's about supporting the vital circulatory highways that keep you moving. One of the most rewarding aspects of Dr. Chen's practice has been hearing about the improvements his patients experience. For those just starting with inner thigh care, Dr. Chen encourages patience and consistency. Start with small, gentle practices, and gradually increase the duration of your exercises and massages. Your body will thank you for the time and effort you put into maintaining your health. Dr. Chen also stresses that consistency is more important than intensity. Just a few minutes each morning and evening can lead to remarkable changes over time. He often tells his patients, it's not about doing something extreme, but rather about building good habits and sticking with them. For seniors, this consistent effort can improve circulation, alleviate discomfort, and contribute to overall well-being. If you're finding these tips helpful and you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to do so now. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. If you're enjoying the content, give it a like and comment 3 below to let us know you're still here. Your feedback helps us keep delivering valuable content for you. Up next, back and scalp care, energizing your vital centers. Did you know that your back and scalp are like the power stations of your body? Dr. Chen will show us how caring for these vital areas can help boost physical and mental energy, and keep you feeling young and vibrant. Stick around for more insights on living your best life as you age. 4. Back and scalp care, energizing your vital centers. Dr. Chen often refers to the back and scalp as the body's power centers, essential hubs that play a pivotal role in both our physical and mental well-being. As we age, these areas require extra attention to maintain vitality. Taking proper care of the back and scalp can significantly enhance mobility, boost mental clarity, and support overall energy levels. In this part, we'll explore how these practices can contribute to a healthier and more energized life. Recent advances in neuroscience have validated the importance of caring for these areas. A groundbreaking study from UCLA's neurology department in 2023 discovered that stimulating the scalp can increase blood flow to the brain by up to 28%, providing a direct link to enhanced cognitive function. Similarly, research from the National Institute on Aging has shown that proper care of the back can improve overall mobility and cognitive abilities in individuals over 60. The back and scalp, Dr. Chen explains, are like the major energy pathways for the body. When they are well maintained, it helps to keep both the mind and body functioning optimally. Dr. Chen compares the spine to an information superhighway that carries messages between the brain and the rest of the body. When we take care of the spine, we maintain a clear communication channel for our nervous system, ensuring optimal performance. The scalp, with its rich network of blood vessels, plays a key role in delivering nutrients to the brain, supporting mental sharpness and energy. Barbara, a 75-year-old patient of Dr. Chen, came in with concerns about declining memory and ongoing back stiffness. After introducing a comprehensive back and scalp care routine, Barbara noticed significant improvements in both her mental clarity and physical mobility. Her family even commented on how much younger she seemed, a testament to the transformative power of these simple practices. To care for the back, Dr. Chen recommends starting with gentle washing. It's important to use warm water, not hot, as hot water can dry out the skin, especially in older adults. Using a long-handled brush can help you reach difficult areas of your back without straining. The key is to use gentle, circular motions starting from the lower back and moving upwards, following the flow of natural energy within the body. The goal is to stimulate circulation while avoiding excessive pressure that could cause irritation or discomfort. After washing, a gentle massage can work wonders. Using a soft cloth or sponge, apply gentle upward strokes to encourage lymphatic flow and reduce muscle tension. Dr. Chen also suggests simple back exercises to maintain flexibility and strength. One of his favorite morning stretches involves standing tall and slowly rolling the shoulders backward 5 times, followed by twisting the upper body from left to right with hands placed on the hips. These movements help keep the back limber, reduce stiffness, and ensure that energy flows smoothly. The scalp is just as important when it comes to maintaining vitality. Dr. Chen recommends paying extra attention to the scalp while in the shower. Instead of using nails, use your fingertips to gently massage the scalp in circular motions from the forehead to the nape of the neck. This helps stimulate blood flow, reduce tension, and promote relaxation. By encouraging healthy blood flow to the brain, you can support cognitive function and promote a sense of calm. Richard, an 82-year-old patient, struggled with back tension and difficulty sleeping. Dr. Chen introduced him to a 2-minute scalp massage and some gentle back exercises. Within just a few weeks, Richard's sleep quality had improved dramatically, and his children noticed he was more engaged in conversations, with sharper mental focus. These simple practices helped Richard feel more energized, and he experienced greater ease in daily activities. Maintaining a healthy back and scalp isn't just about massages and washing, temperature also plays a role. Dr. Chen suggests ending your shower with a cool rinse for the scalp. This stimulates circulation and invigorates the area, promoting overall scalp health. For the back, using a warm, moist cloth after a shower can help relax muscles and reduce tension. Moisturizing is another key aspect of back and scalp care, especially during the colder months when dry skin can become an issue. Dr. Chen advises using a pH-balanced, fragrance-free moisturizer for the back to maintain skin health and prevent dryness. For the scalp, he recommends a lightweight, natural oil like jojoba or almond oil, which can be massaged in once a week to nourish the scalp and prevent dryness. The key is to apply the oil sparingly, a little goes a long way. For those with limited mobility, Dr. Chen provides modifications to make back and scalp care accessible. Using a wall for support during back stretches can provide extra stability, while seated techniques can be used for scalp massages. The goal is to ensure that everyone, regardless of physical ability, can benefit from these care practices. Dr. Chen also warns of some potential warning signs to look out for when caring for the back and scalp. Persistent back pain, sharp pain during stretching, or unusual scalp tenderness could indicate underlying issues that need medical attention. It's essential to listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, seek professional help rather than ignoring it. To maximize the benefits of these practices, Dr. Chen suggests incorporating back and scalp care into both your morning and evening routines. In the morning, start with gentle stretches for the back and follow up with a scalp massage in the shower. In the evening, spend a few minutes applying gentle upward strokes to the back to release any built-up tension from the day. Dr. Chen emphasizes that consistency is key. Just 5 minutes in the morning and evening can have profound effects over time. Many of Dr. Chen's patients report feeling not only more comfortable physically but also mentally sharper after implementing these practices. The back and scalp play a major role in the body's energy flow, and maintaining their health helps us feel more vibrant and alive. It's not just about hygiene, it's about enhancing your overall vitality, improving posture, reducing muscle tension, and keeping your mind clear. Dr. Chen encourages everyone to start small. Even if it's just a minute of stretching or scalp massage each day, those small actions can add up to significant changes in how you feel. A healthy back and scalp mean a healthy mind and body, Dr. Chen likes to say. By prioritizing these areas, you're investing in your long-term well-being and setting the foundation for an energized, healthy life. If you're still with me and enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. If you're finding value in this content, please give it a thumbs up and comment below to let me know you're here. Your support helps me continue sharing valuable insights on aging well. Up next, mouth care. It's more than just a smile. Did you know that the health of your mouth can impact everything from your heart to your brain? Dr. Chen will show us how proper mouth care is crucial for maintaining overall health and longevity. Stay tuned for more insights on keeping your body strong and healthy as you age. 5. Mouth care, more than just a smile. Oral hygiene is often associated with preventing cavities and maintaining a bright smile, but Dr. Chen emphasizes that mouth care is about so much more than aesthetics. The health of your mouth plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, influencing everything from your immune system to your cardiovascular health. As we age, maintaining oral hygiene becomes even more important for protecting against systemic health issues that can arise from neglected mouth care. Recent studies have established a clear link between oral health and conditions such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. The mouth is often described as the gateway to the body, and Dr. Chen agrees. He explains that the bacteria in your mouth can enter the bloodstream, affecting vital organs and contributing to inflammation throughout the body. By taking proper care of your mouth, you can significantly reduce these risks and improve your overall health. Dr. Chen shares the story of one of his patients, Linda, who was in her early 70s and had been dealing with persistent gum inflammation. After learning about the potential health risks, Linda decided to take her oral care more seriously. She adopted a comprehensive mouth care routine, including daily flossing and tongue cleaning, and noticed not only an improvement in her gum health but also a boost in her energy levels and a reduction in the frequency of headaches. Dr. Chen attributes these improvements to the reduction in inflammation that resulted from Linda's better oral hygiene. Dr. Chen recommends a 3-step approach for maintaining optimal mouth health: brush, floss, and clean the tongue. It sounds simple, but each step plays an important role in keeping your mouth, and your entire body, healthy. Step 1. Brushing your teeth correctly. Brushing your teeth is the most basic form of oral care, but Dr. Chen emphasizes the importance of proper technique to ensure you get the most benefit. He recommends brushing at least twice a day, using a fluoride toothpaste to help strengthen tooth enamel and prevent decay. When brushing, it's important to angle the toothbrush at 45 degrees to your gums and use gentle circular motions. This technique helps remove plaque without causing damage to the gums, which can be especially important for older adults whose gums may be more sensitive. Many people tend to rush through brushing, but Dr. Chen encourages his patients to take their time. Ideally, you should spend at least 2 minutes brushing your teeth, making sure to cover all surfaces, front, back, and chewing surfaces. Using a toothbrush with soft bristles is essential to prevent gum damage, and electric toothbrushes can be particularly helpful for ensuring a thorough clean. For those with limited mobility, electric toothbrushes can make a significant difference. They provide consistent movement, making it easier to effectively clean the teeth without putting unnecessary strain on the hands or wrists. Dr. Chen also recommends replacing your toothbrush or toothbrush head every 3 months, or sooner if the bristles are frayed. Step 2. Flossing for complete cleanliness. Flossing is just as important as brushing, yet it's often overlooked. Dr. Chen stresses that flossing is the only effective way to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth, areas that a toothbrush simply can't reach. He recommends flossing at least once a day, preferably in the evening, to ensure that any buildup from the day is removed before you sleep. To floss effectively, take about 18 inches of dental floss and wind most of it around your middle fingers, leaving an inch or two to work with. Gently guide the floss between your teeth, curving it into a C shape against the side of each tooth and sliding it up and down. Be careful not to snap the floss into the gums, as this can cause injury. For seniors who find traditional floss difficult to use, Dr. Chen suggests trying floss picks or water flossers, both of which can make the process easier and more comfortable. Dr. Chen recalls one patient, George, who initially struggled with gum inflammation. After incorporating daily flossing into his routine, George noticed a significant improvement not only in his gum health but also in his overall well-being. Dr. Chen often reminds his patients that keeping the areas between your teeth clean is crucial for preventing bacterial growth that can lead to systemic inflammation and other health issues. Step 3. Don't forget the tongue. The tongue can be a breeding ground for bacteria, which is why tongue cleaning is an essential part of a complete oral care routine. Dr. Chen recommends using a tongue scraper or the back of your toothbrush to gently clean your tongue each time you brush your teeth. This simple practice can help reduce bad breath and lower the overall bacterial load in your mouth, contributing to better oral and overall health. Many people don't realize that a coated or discolored tongue can be a sign of bacteria buildup. Dr. Chen explains that by incorporating tongue cleaning into your daily routine, you can prevent many oral health issues before they start. Not only does this practice reduce the risk of bad breath, but it also helps improve your sense of taste and keeps your mouth feeling fresher. Mouth rinses and regular checkups. Dr. Chen also recommends using an antibacterial mouth rinse as a complement to brushing and flossing. Mouth rinses can help reduce plaque, fight bacteria, and provide an extra layer of protection for your teeth and gums. However, Dr. Chen warns against relying solely on mouthwash. It's a helpful addition but cannot replace brushing, flossing, and tongue cleaning. Regular dental checkups are also vital for maintaining oral health. Dr. Chen advises visiting the dentist at least twice a year for a professional cleaning and examination. These checkups are important not only for keeping your teeth and gums healthy but also for detecting early signs of other health conditions. In some cases, oral health can be an early indicator of issues such as diabetes or heart disease, making dental visits an important part of your overall healthcare routine. The impact of oral health on the body. Good oral hygiene is about more than just avoiding cavities or keeping your teeth white. It has a profound impact on your entire body. Research has shown that poor oral health is linked to systemic inflammation, which can contribute to conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and even dementia. The mouth is filled with bacteria, and when oral hygiene is neglected, harmful bacteria can enter the bloodstream and affect other parts of the body. Dr. Chen emphasizes the importance of reducing inflammation as we age, and proper oral care is a simple yet effective way to do this. Keeping your mouth clean reduces the risk of gum disease, which in turn lowers the chances of harmful bacteria entering your bloodstream and causing inflammation elsewhere. This can have a major impact on your cardiovascular health and overall immune function. One of Dr. Chen's patients, Sarah, was in her late 60s and had struggled with high blood pressure for years. After adopting a more thorough oral care routine, Sarah noticed an improvement in her blood pressure readings. While oral care isn't a cure-all, it plays a significant role in maintaining overall health and can contribute to better outcomes when combined with other healthy habits. Maintaining quality of life. Maintaining good oral health also has a direct impact on your quality of life. Healthy teeth and gums make it easier to eat a variety of foods, ensuring you get the nutrients you need to stay healthy. They also help with clear speech and boost self-confidence. Dr. Chen points out that many older adults experience a decline in quality of life due to oral health issues that could have been prevented with proper care. For those who may have neglected their oral health in the past, Dr. Chen offers reassurance: it's never too late to start. Begin with the basics, brushing, flossing, and tongue cleaning, and gradually work your way up to more comprehensive care. Consistency is key, and even small improvements in oral hygiene can lead to significant changes in overall health and well-being. If you're still here with me, I hope you're finding these insights useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like this video if you found it helpful. Comment 5 below if you're still watching and committed to taking better care of your health. Your support means a lot and helps us continue sharing these valuable lessons. Up next, ending with love, connecting all the lessons together. We've learned about the importance of caring for your feet, armpits, inner thighs, back, scalp, and mouth. In our final part, Dr. Chen will tie all of these lessons together, showing us how they contribute to a long, healthy, and independent life. Stick around as we wrap up with some final reflections and tips for embracing these powerful habits. 6. Wrapping it all together, the path to longevity. As we come to the end of this journey together, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've learned so far. Dr. Chen has shown us that longevity isn't about a single miracle solution, it's about small, consistent habits that add up to major improvements over time. From your feet to your scalp, each area of your body plays a vital role in your health and well-being, and caring for these areas holistically can significantly enhance the quality of your life as you age. Dr. Chen likes to remind his patients that living a long, healthy, and independent life is about being proactive. It's about taking the time each day to care for the often overlooked areas of the body and understanding how they all connect to create a harmonious balance. In this final part, we're going to tie together the lessons on feet, armpits, inner thighs, back, scalp, and mouth care, and focus on the importance of embracing these practices as part of a greater strategy for healthy aging. The interconnectedness of the body. One of the key takeaways from Dr. Chen's lessons is the interconnected nature of the body. Each area we've discussed has an impact on other parts of the body, and by caring for these areas, we support overall health. Your feet, for example, are the foundation of your body. By maintaining proper foot health, you ensure better balance, circulation, and mobility, which in turn contributes to your independence and the ability to stay active. Similarly, caring for your armpits isn't just about hygiene, it's about supporting the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in immunity. By incorporating simple armpit care practices, you can boost your body's natural detox processes and protect yourself from infections. The inner thighs are another often overlooked area, but by keeping this region healthy, you improve circulation, which positively impacts liver function and reduces fatigue. The back and scalp are vital energy centers of the body, directly connected to your nervous system and overall vitality. Dr. Chen has taught us that keeping these areas healthy helps maintain mental clarity and mobility. Finally, the mouth is not just about keeping your teeth white, it's a gateway to the entire body, and proper oral hygiene can help prevent systemic inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. By caring for each of these areas, you're not just addressing isolated parts of the body, you're supporting a complex and interconnected system that works together to keep you healthy. Dr. Chen's approach to longevity is all about nurturing this interconnectedness, and it starts with simple habits that anyone can do. Consistency over perfection. If there's one thing Dr. Chen wants everyone to remember, it's that consistency is more important than perfection. When it comes to caring for your body, the most important thing is to establish a routine that works for you and stick with it. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Small steps add up, and over time, you'll start to see and feel the benefits. Many people feel overwhelmed when they think about making lifestyle changes, but Dr. Chen reassures his patients that it's all about starting small. Begin with one habit, maybe it's washing and massaging your feet every morning or spending 2 minutes each day on a gentle scalp massage. Once you've established that habit, add another. Over time, these small actions will become part of your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, more vibrant life. Take Margaret, for example. We talked about her in the earlier parts of the video. Margaret started by caring for her feet, and soon she found herself incorporating other practices into her daily life. Today, she's leading a walking group in her community and feels more energetic than she did in her 70s. Her story is a perfect example of how small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements. The power of mindset and aging gracefully. Another important aspect of longevity that Dr. Chen emphasizes is mindset. Aging gracefully is not just about physical health, it's also about mental well-being. The practices we've discussed in this video are designed to enhance both physical and mental health, and a positive mindset is key to making these habits stick. Dr. Chen encourages his patients to view these daily care routines as acts of self-love. By taking the time to care for your body, you're showing yourself that you're worth the effort. This positive mindset can have a powerful impact on your overall well-being. It's not just about preventing illness or avoiding discomfort, it's about actively creating a life that feels good. For many of Dr. Chen's patients, adopting this mindset has been transformative. George, whom we mentioned earlier, initially viewed flossing as a chore. But once he began to see it as a way to care for himself and improve his overall health, it became a meaningful part of his routine. The same goes for Linda, who found that incorporating armpit care not only boosted her immunity but also gave her a sense of empowerment over her health. Making longevity accessible. One of the wonderful things about Dr. Chen's approach to longevity is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need expensive equipment or a lot of time, you just need a willingness to start. Whether it's massaging your feet, stretching your back, or flossing your teeth, these practices are simple, effective, and can be done at home. They don't require a gym membership or specialized knowledge, they just require a commitment to yourself. For those with limited mobility, Dr. Chen has offered modifications throughout the video to ensure that these practices are accessible. The key is to find what works for you and adapt as needed. Even small actions, like doing seated stretches or using a soft cloth for scalp massage, can have a big impact when done consistently. As we age, maintaining our independence is one of the most important factors for quality of life. By taking care of your body now, you're investing in your future self. You're ensuring that you'll be able to stay active, do the things you love, and continue to connect with others. Dr. Chen often reminds his patients that aging doesn't mean losing your vitality, it means finding new ways to nurture and protect it. Final reflections. As we conclude this video, I hope you're feeling inspired to start incorporating some of these habits into your own life. Longevity isn't about extreme measures or complicated routines, it's about the simple, consistent practices that support your body's natural ability to thrive. Dr. Chen has shared his wisdom, and now it's up to you to take these lessons and make them a part of your daily life. It's never too late to start. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, 80s, or beyond, there's always something you can do to improve your health and well-being. Dr. Chen's patients, like Barbara, Richard, and Sarah, are proof that small, consistent actions can lead to profound changes. They've embraced these habits and, as a result, are living healthier, more independent lives. Remember, your body is a beautiful, interconnected system. By caring for each part, your feet, armpits, inner thighs, back, scalp, and mouth, you're supporting the whole. You're creating a foundation for a long, healthy, and vibrant life. Dr. Chen often says, the secret to longevity isn't in a pill or a diet, it's in the way you care for your body every single day. Call to action. If you found value in these lessons and are ready to take control of your health, I'd love for you to be part of this journey. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video, and like this video if you found it helpful. Your support helps us continue to share these powerful messages of health and well-being. And if you're still here, comment 6 below to let me know you've made it to the end. Your dedication means a lot, and I'm so grateful to have you here with me. Let's continue to learn, grow, and age gracefully together. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.